Hey guys, welcome back. So the thumbnail is probably a bit of a giveaway at what we're going to be unboxing today. But before we start, I'd like to mention that I ordered from the official WPL store. From order to door in 11 days. Very fast indeed. And yeah, 10 out of 10 for their packaging. And I know if there's any problems, Ed's just a message away, so customer service is on par as well. And so yeah, if you want to get your WPL goodies in time for Christmas, highly recommend the official store. Links in the description below. So the first thing out the box was this amazing WPL t-shirt. We got a nice big WPL models logo on the front. On the sleeve we've got the WPLRC.com, and on the back we've also got all the C series, C14, C24, 34, 44, and the newcomer, the C54, which is coming to the channel soon. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you'll be one of the first to see that out of the box. Let's head to the bench and we'll look at how well the items I ordered are packaged inside that box, and we'll do some unboxing. Packaging is 10 out of 10. They actually went above and beyond to make sure that your product gets to your door in perfect condition. So it also comes in an extra layer of bubble wrap inside the box. Let's take a quick look. So I had a nice little cool set of WPL decals included. Always a bonus. In this little package, I believe I've got the Res 3 electronics kit, the all-in-one, which is a sound system, ESC receiver, light control, winch control. It's a really good piece of kit from what I've seen, and I'm excited to actually have one finally. This box is the C24kM. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to hold that up for you. They've got lots of models to choose from now. Fair play, they've got a really nice catalogue. So there we go. We've got the C24K, and they've added an M with some biro. And we've got a red one. Plans for this whole build, the Res 3 and the C24kM, it's all to do with the new C54 coming. I want to build the ultimate WPL trail truck. 100% WPL from top to tail. We're going to be running a KM chassis. So those of you that don't know, the C54 is going to be a body only release, and it's going to be compatible with the C14/24 chassis. Let's start by unpackaging the Res 3, shall we? I highly recommend, if you already haven't got a WPL rig, ordering a set of wires as well, because the Res 3 doesn't come included. So make sure to add a set of wires to your basket. So we've got a power lead, motor lead, and switch there. And yeah, let's take a look inside. I'm really excited about this. This is my my first Res 3 kit. And like I said, I've heard really good things about them. The modulation is spot on. Again, a built-in sound control, winch control, light control. It does it all, and for the price, I mean, wow. You'd be paying a lot more just for a sound module kit from certain companies and brands. It's packaged extremely well, as you can see. Sorry guys, probably half the video is going to be me getting through WPL's armour. I think that's it. There we go. So let's start unwrapping. Bit of a sticker there. Okay, so I've got the diesel version, as you can see by that sticker. So this comes in petrol and diesel, and it comes in a nice big WPL bag. Let's get this bubble wrap out of the way, and let's open this WPL bag up. It's not the sharpest knife, but it does the trick. I don't know if you've seen one of Tom Lee's recent videos where he's been sent a knife, but he made a point of saying thank you, but oh, it's such a funny intro. Highly recommend checking Tommy out. So inside the bag, let's get it all out. Inside the bag, we look to have the new style transmitter receiver, which if you have a WPL, if you have a D12, sorry, then this is going to feel very similar to. It's got a really nice finish to it, but we've got some differences on this. We've got a winch control, which you've got forward, middle, back. So you've got a 3-directional switch there on top. We've got our steering trim. We've got SPK, not sure what that is yet, and light control, our LED indicator, vehicle switching. Looks like you have to push those two at the same time. So this board, you can actually, well, with this transmitter, you can actually control 2 cars at once. You can switch them out on the fly, so you can take 2 trucks out on the trail, which is really handy. We've got a shift gear and our on and off switch. It fits really nice in one hand. Takes 2 AA's. Really like the quality of this, fair play. What else have we got? We got another set of stickers. Woohoo! I might start a sticker shop, guys. More stickers. Oh, more stickers again. We've got our instruction manual. So let me double check. This seems to be for the transmitter, telling you how that works. And on the back, we've got how the board works. I'll leave that there if you guys want to pause, if you guys lost yours. We've got a included speaker for our sound module. And we've got the unit itself, the V3. Well, I keep calling it the V3. It's recently been renamed the Res 3. Wow. Really nice. Got some information there on the back. I'll hold that up as well for you guys if you want to pause. And yeah, really excited to get this on the go. We've also got a little bag of capacitors as well. So I'll obviously do some research and find out where these need to be soldered and whatnot. And yeah, this thing does it all. We've got obviously the servo control, light control, motor control, winch control, sound module, all on this little board. Very impressed, really like the look of this. Cannot wait to get installed. Got a little hole here as well. That looks to be obviously for screwing it and installing it onto the chassis. The star of the show, the immaculate C24km box. Plenty of bubble wrap now. Take a look at this box. Not a mark in sight. Amazing condition. That's what you want to see when you order yourself a kit. Not some dinged up, dented box where you're just panicking that everything inside could have a potential of being damaged. This looks pristine, and you can have confidence that the contents inside are going to be top notch. Oh. So it's going to be a quick unboxing. I'm not going to be opening the bags, I'm just going to show you what you get in the KM kit as well. So we've got our interior parts tree here. Wing mirrors, interior seats, dashboard, snorkel, steering wheel, windscreen wipers, door handles. These are like little steps as well that screw to the side of the 24 chassis. Really nice. Okay, I'm quite concerned here. Just digging deeper to make sure I have got a KM kit. Okay. Yeah, I was panicking then. So, we've got a set of plastic axle covers with your standard ready to run or standard kit axles as well, with your metal ring differential gears in there. We've got a full set of plastic axle housings, which is nice. I use those as spare. I just checked, there are metal ones in there as well. Really cool. Wasn't expecting to have a set of those as well. The KM kit comes with a 2-speed, but as you can see, we've also got a spare 180 motor and B36 gearbox with the new easy to remove drive shafts, which is really nice. Nice to have those spare. We've got our steering servo, the horns that go with it. We've got a JST power cable. We won't be using that because we've got the Res 3 now. A set of lights, which is really nice, with a Futaba connection, if you can see that. And a bag of lube, bag of grease. We've got the rear cab, and we've also got the electronics tray that goes on top of your servo and keeps all the electronics in place. Not a lot to see in that bag. The C24 rear canopy. I know a lot of you are actually looking for these for your C24-1. They are available as a standalone item on the official store. So yeah, head over. All you need to do is tap in C24 into the search bar, and all the parts, bells and whistles for that rig will pop up. In this bag we seem to have a motor holder, a gearbox holder for the 180, but we won't be using that. We've got our links, our servo mount, which attaches to the chassis, and also our shocks. There's springs in there, shock rods and shock towers. Now we've got a 2-speed gearbox. So we've got a nice 370 motor there, a gear change servo included. So yeah, the KMs come with a 2-speed, which is really nice. And I'm pretty happy as well that I've got a spare 180. I'm really happy. I could actually run this on a 180 if I wanted to, or you know, if you've got yourself an old ready to run that's got a 130, get yourself a KM kit and you're getting a 180 motor as well. We've got those super soft kit tyres, version 1. Not a lot to say about those, very soft. We've got the front cab, what looks to be the windscreen and lenses as well in there. Just check out the, let me try and focus a bit better for you. Check out the scale detail they've gone to with the Hilux body. We've got some more various body parts, so that's for behind your cab, a battery tray, bumper, another set of WPL decals as well, which is nice. We've got our glass, so that's for your rear cab, and yep, that looks to be for the rear cab. That's the glass there. Oh, a set of WPL wheel weights. Now these on their own, they're worth about $20, so a KM kit is only, let's say, an extra $20 more than a standard kit. So for that money, you get pretty much these for free and a 2-speed. So yeah, really nice. These are going to actually make the truck perform really well on the trail, keep that centre of gravity down low. We got a little bag here, a little bag of hardware, so all the screws you need to complete the kit. These are just the self-tapping screws, so there should be another bag in there of machine threaded screws. And yes, This is the metal 4x4 upgrade. We've got metal chassis rails, metal axle housings, metal bearings, metal drive shafts in there, metal what seem to be brass pinion and ring differential gears in there, another bag of grease, a little bag of Loctite I can see in there. So yeah, this is what makes the KM. You get in all the metal goodies. Nearly there, guys. Set of the new black chassis rails, which are really nice. All my C series I've got old stock apart from the C24-1, which came out the box like it, but it's nice to actually have a set. God, muddling my words up here. Nice to have a set of black chassis rails. And last but not least, guys, an instruction manual. Hey. So that is going to tell you how to build the truck. I won't be holding that up for you because they are available on the WPL website to download. So head over there if you need an instruction manual if you've lost yours. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it today. A quick unboxing and showing how well the items are packaged. They came in pristine condition. This box could go on a shelf itself. And yeah, just showing you what's inside the KM kit and a closer look at the Res 3. Make sure to stay tuned because I plan on, like I said, building up the KM chassis and building up the ultimate C54. Stay tuned, guys, because this will be one of the first channels that you will actually be feasting your eyes upon the C54. It is a body only build, so you won't be getting a chassis with it. It's a body only release. And yeah, if you want to see more pictures close up of the C54, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out those pre-production pictures on the official website. Whew, I never talk so much in a video, guys.